Okay, welcome everyone. Decided on Transformers this week. Today we're dealing with Dinobot, a Dinobot, specifically Swoop. I'll zoom in here as we get you the card. Bombardier, evidently. Fear can hit targets. Unreachable bullets. Enjoys watching enemies scatter before him as he dives down from the sky. Considers spreading fear his greatest weapon. This Dinobot's kind, good-natured side disguised by his horrifying form. Even his comrades shy away. Flies at 250 miles an hour. Air-to-air missile launcher. Under each wing fires missiles, equivalent of 5,000 pounds of TNT. 8-mile range. As a robot, uses launchers and 4,000 C thermal sword. Fragile wings, vulnerable to any enemy firepower. And if I had like a red piece of paper, red piece of something, you could see that was the trick with the old power chart. Maybe I can find one somewhere, some facsimile. But there he is. Zoom back out there a little bit. Let's see there. And I have literally not transformed him in at least 35 years, so this will be an experience. So there's the legs. Those must go up so we can for the bird form. Okay. So legs come around. Do they collapse in? Yes, they do. Collapse in. Then swing the feet back around. And then spread the chest apart. I think. Yeah. Vaguely coming back to me. This side is. Okay, there it went. It's just wedged. Okay. Beak down and pop his arms out, and they expand. There it went. And there we have his robot form. Set him down so he can be still. So I vaguely remember the Dinobots coming around on the cartoon. There was something about, there was some issue or something they had in the Mesozoic, Jurassic, whenever period these were, and the Ark created the Dinobots in order to protect Optimus Prime and them while they were asleep, I think, so the storyline. Nice little robot, no elbows to speak of. I think I might have his sword downstairs. I've got one other Dinobot, and they all had swords. So I don't know if it's his sword or the other Dinobot sword. I do not have Grimlock. I've got whatever the Stegosaurus was. I think it's a Stegosaurus. There's his back. Get the chromed. What's this? There's so under the wings. All the. And what we got here? What year was that? Misplaced my color there. Get my specs on work. Maybe I can read. 1980 to 84 was the copyright, so that's at some point built during that time. So, see if I can undo the transformation now. So, arms in. Chest back together. Wings out. Oh yeah, expand the leg. Bring the legs out. And then they'll roll. And the feet. They'll actually lock in place then. Landing gear. And there he is in dinosaur form. Okay. All right. Well, that took and it stay. Let's say, of course, the joints are fairly worn. Oh, his mouth opened. I didn't realize that. Good. Cool. Head won't stay together, but you know, it's still pretty. I'm still digging it. I'm feeling it. So I can set them down like that. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe because this will keep going for a while yet. Bye.